my channel, you can see a lot of kinds of rices and biryanis from Talasheri, Bombay and different parts of the world. Today, I'm showing you how to make a Kozhikodan style biryani, a Calicut style biryani. It have unique spices, unique flavor, a beautiful combination of flavors. So don't waste time, let's go on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can serve 6 to 8 guests. We need mutton, bone-in, washed and cleaned, 1 kg. Onto a big bowl, add half kg of sliced onions, 250 grams of tomato sliced, 15 pieces of crushed green chilies, 2 pieces of garlic crushed, a big piece of ginger crushed, half cup of yogurt, a juice of a big lemon, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, a handful of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 3 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, few mint leaves chopped, a handful of cilantro chopped, 2 tablespoons of rose water, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, 1 cup of water. Combine well, marinate the meat and rest for 2 hours. Put it on a slow flame, cook it until soft and tender. While the meat are cooking, onto a bowl, half cup of oil, half cup of ghee or clarified butter. Fry 350 grams of onions batch by batch in hot oil until golden color. Don't burn it. 50 grams of cashew nut, golden, on top of the onions. 25 grams of raisins. Be careful, don't burn it. Drain it, place it on top of the cashew nut. Add 1 cup of chopped mint, 2 cups of chopped cilantro, 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Combine well and set it aside. Onto the same oil, add 6 cups of water, 1 cup of milk to make the rice soft, 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger, garlic, green chili, 4 teaspoons of salt, 5 pieces of cardamom pods, few mint leaves chopped, few cilantro chopped. Bring to boil. By the time 5 cup of kaima rice or jeera masala rice, wash at least 3 times, drain it. Water is simmering now, add the rice. On this recipe, we are not soaking the rice. Give a quick stir, bring to boil, let it simmer. Again, give a quick mix. Cover it and turn into a very low flame and give a dum for 30 minutes. The mutton is soft and tender now. The rice is fluffy but still there is a bit to cook more. On top of the mutton, add the fried mix and add the rice on the top. Be careful when you layer it. The top layer of the rice go to the bottom of the dum. At least layer 4 layers. Level it and press it and lock the flavors. Cover it and dum for 30 minutes. Get the rice onto the side. You will get a beautiful aromatic rice from Kozhikodan. this recipe? Have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure